You need to watch this if you believe in the magic of stories. Ever heard of a magical book with blank pages? Deep in an old, dusty library, there was such a book. Legend said it once held the most amazing stories, but the words vanished over time. One day, Alex, a boy who adored stories, found this book. He didn't feel let down by the empty pages. Instead, he imagined the tales that might have filled them. As he read out loud, something incredible happened. The words began to reappear, faint at first, then bold and clear. Alex's imagination brought the stories back to life. Page by page, vibrant words filled the book. When the librarian saw this, she was amazed. News of Alex's magical discovery spread like wildfire. Soon the library buzzed with people eager to read the once-lost stories. Alex's adventure taught everyone the power of imagination and the magic of reading. That forgotten library became a cherished place, brimming with life and endless worlds of wonder.